Let me guess. You're stuck in your current job and prepping up for cat and zat also and wondering, should I quit? Am I already behind? Am I doing enough? Well, let's talk honestly. Hi guys, my name is Priyasha Das. I'm an XLRI alum helping you make your MBA journey a little more smoother and also guiding you in your career decisions. Well, today I'm here for something important. I'm here to discuss how your decision to quit your job does not really just affect your preparation. It also affects your B school shortlists, your interviews, your confidence, and even your MBA story. So, if you're considering leaving your job to prepare full time, then stay with me for the next few minutes, and I guarantee you this that you will save weeks of confusion, regret, and wasted efforts. So, every year, hundreds of serious aspirants ask me the same question that can I cat while working, or should I just quit and focus 100%? And honestly, both the paths work, but only if you choose them intelligently. So, let me explain how. Now, what most people do wrong, let's talk about that. They panic quit in around May, June, because they are scared that they'll fall behind. सबसे बड़ी कंफ्यूजन उनको वो होती है या फिर गलत फहमी आप कह सकते हो that they think more time is equals to more percentile, but that's not always true. You also know that. So now I'm going to discuss how the B schools view your work experience. अभी तक most of the people think this that B schools work experience के लिए points देते हैं and that's how that helps you in your selection procedure. But the thing is that they just not admire the candidates who can juggle deadlines, can handle such kind of a pressure or manage multiple priorities. Because guess what? This is exactly what managers do. No, manager बनने के बाद मुझे ये realization हुआ है. But here's what continuous work experience can signal in our interview. The number one thing that you will be able to see is that they can feel that you are more dependable as a person. You can commit long term for any company or such any role they'll be selecting you for in terms of placements. And then second thing would be that you can really balance the work and the learning, which is really essential for an MBA life as well. Third thing which they will see in you when you do not leave your job is that you really don't panic or escape when pressure is increased. And the fourth thing, which is the most important point mere hisab se, this is that when you actually work, you get some real stories of ownership, real stories of failure, real stories of success, real stories of leadership, collaboration and whatnot. सबके लिए आपके पास एक अच्छा एग्जाम्पल होगा अगर आप काम कर रहे हो तो. So yes, B schools do prefer candidates who prep while working, but आपको कैसे पता चलेगा? What is your checkpoint when you will realize that you should not quit your job? Some checkpoints for you. Number one, if you are able to dedicate 1.5 to 2 hours daily also, and weekends में आप उसको manage कर पा रहे हो by giving mocks or revising in the weekends, then you are in the right place. अगर आपने एक schedule बना ली है and according to your schedule you see that you can hit around 30 to 35 mocks by the month of November, then you are still going good. And yeah, if you are not facing a lot of burnouts, like देखो थोड़ा बहुत burnout तो जरूर होगा, but then if you feel that नहीं उतना भी ज्यादा नहीं है, I can manage, bounce back and come back to my schedule, then you do not need to quit. In fact, staying will give you, ये दीदी वाला advice है, staying will give you financial stability. It will give you a lot of proof points to talk about in your interview, and most importantly it will give you a psychological edge जो कि लोग सोचते नहीं है, उसके बारे में समझते नहीं है, बट ये बहुत इफेक्टिव है. Now let's talk about the other side also. How would you know that it is the right time for you to quit and focus 100% on your preparation? Number one, suppose you have tried balancing the work, 2 महीने हो चुके हैं, आपने अपनी preparation start कर ली है, and you still feel that the mock scores are stuck somewhere, you're not able to balance things out, resign. Number two, if you are unable to sit for mocks and analyze them deeply, आपके पास एक stretch पे इतना time ही नहीं निकल रहा है कि आप एक full length mock दे पाओ, then resign. Third, if you feel mentally fatigued and the most important thing is even your productivity at work is dropping, then 100% resign. And the fourth and the last one is again a Didi wala advice. If you have enough savings, if your family is supporting you in your decision, because अगर family का support नहीं रहेगा या आपके around जो लोग हैं उनका support नहीं रहेगा, तो उन तानों के बीच पढ़ पाना is slightly difficult. Okay, so that's why savings, family support, and of course a very clear backup plan. Then please resign. Okay, the ideal checkpoint for deciding this would be mid of August. इसलिए मैंने आज ये वीडियो रिलीज कर दी, ये सोचकर कि आपके पास अभी भी कम से कम 2 महीने का टाइम रहे टू टेक दिस डिसीजन कि आपको रियली क्विट करना चाहिए या नहीं. So the ideal checkpoint for this would be mid of August, because honestly the main mock game starts from August onwards, and if done right, 90 days of focused prep can absolutely take you to 99 plus percentile. I can guarantee that. So in that case, if you really want to prepare with your work, okay, if you have decided that you really want to prep up with your work, then in that case, how can I help you? I can help you by preparing a schedule for you. I can help you with the resources. So whatever sort of help you need, comment below and let me know, and trust me, I'll be there. And if you want to discuss your profile with me, or let's say ask some questions regarding your career or profile or MBA, then feel free to drop a free query on TopMate, where you can add on all the details about yourself, और मैं उसे आराम से बैठ के पढ़ के उसके लिए detailed answer लिख के दूंगी. So see you there. And yes, of course, the final point of this video, that is the truth. You don't have to quit your job to crack this examination, be it CAT, be it XAT. Second, you just have to build a smarter system around you. You know, give yourself enough checkpoints. That means the things which I told you in this video, कि आपको पता लगे कि are you really ready for this or not. And if you feel still feel stuck by the end of August or mid of August, that नहीं मजा नहीं आ रहा, मैं बैलेंस नहीं कर पा रहा या बैलेंस नहीं कर पा रही, then please go full time. No one is stopping you for that. Go full time and prep up properly. And don't worry about the gap years or something. I'm there. We can talk it out together once you get a good score. Okay. And yeah, don't make your choice out of fear. ये सबसे बड़ी बात है इस पूरे वीडियो की. Don't make your choice out of fear. Make this choice of dropping or not dropping out of strategy, out of your previous habits. And just to end up this video, I'm always there to help you in any sort of situation you need help in. So please feel free to DM me on TopMate or follow me on Instagram. There also you get many regular updates about these things, and you can connect one-to-one as well. And if there's a detailed Q&A which you want to have, then TopMate is always there. So see you in the next video. But before that, don't forget to like this video. And if you're new, then please show your support by subscribing to the channel as well. Share it with the friends who have this query, you know, that whether they should drop or continue with their job or something similar to it. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, comment below and let me know what you want me to make a video on. Take care. Thank you so much for watching this. Tada and all the best.